Hey yo, YouTube people, welcome back my channel Raju Mulyo. So yeah, YouTube people, enjoy watching in my news information, my news content right now because yeah, I want a narrative reaction about daily activity AlliieeSherlock with Zoom because yeah, today AlliieeSherlock spend a lot all the day spend time with AlliieeSherlock and with Zoom and with Daddy Mario and yes, like hang out and chill at the street Dublin and work out and yes, all the day spend time with Zoom and do many activity and doing something like perform or something like that. So yeah, it will be stay tuned in my content and if you wanna watch full news videos, stay tuned here and don't forget to share, like and subscribe for watching because yeah, I will support this content. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it about your support guys because yeah, this means a lot for me. So yeah, people enjoy watching. Welcome back my channel Raju Mulyo. So yeah, AlliieeSherlock daily activity. Before doing activity in street Dublin, today AlliieeSherlock is still at home. Yeah, wearing a black hoodie and short black pants. In the kitchen, when after cooking for breakfast, AlliieeSherlock is dancing for a little exercise in the morning. Yes, very interesting activity in this morning, AlliieeSherlock. And yeah, after all the activity at home finished, AlliieeSherlock came to street Dublin to meet Zoe there. Yeah, like a pretty woman walking on the street. Yes, Zoe is wearing a pink shirt and AlliieeSherlock is wearing a white shirt and black jacket. Talking and sitting with Zoe on street Dublin waiting for schedule to perform. Yeah, and until it rain on Dublin Street, AlliieeSherlock sits under the umbrella. After that rain finishes, AlliieeSherlock with Zoe
I dream about you, baby. I will hold your hand. Every day you make me feel happy. Every love story with you, baby. Every day I fall in love with you. Because your love make me feel complete. Because your love make me feel happy. Oh baby, I love you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh, never stop falling in love with you because you will be the last for me. I won't hold you and tell you, baby. And tell you, baby. Oh, 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 oh. Promise to you, just your love. Just fall in love with you, baby. No one more. Only with you. Doing like this. Cause you're special one, yeah, for me. Because because your love makes me feel happy, baby.